Hello friends, now let's see how you can make your PC laptop run faster in just 3 simple steps. So click here on the start menu and type run and press enter. Now type here percentage temp percentage and again click on enter. So it will open a new screen. Now here these are all the unwanted files which you have to delete. So now you can see here I don't you can select control all and you can just select this Picasa 3 a file top. I don't want to delete this, but the rest of these files are scrap, so I will just delete it. Now you can skip this, whichever this is not able to delete, you can skip. Okay, now step number second is again you have to go on to the start menu and now you have to type and enter. Now here you have to type prefetch. prefetch and you have to enter. Now again these are all files are unwanted files in your computer or laptop. This is delete. So select Ctrl or select all these files and simply delete it. Now the third and the final step is go on to start and type disk cleanup. Free disk space by deleting unnecessary files. Now click on this. Select the drive you want to clean up. So you should keep this as C drive and it will delete all the unwanted and unnecessary files from your computer or laptop. By this way, your computer will smoothly run and it will run faster. You will experience the difference before and after. Now friends, this screen will appear, so you have to tick on all these boxes. And then press OK. Now say delete files. Now this will clean up all the waste scrap from your C drive and the computer or laptop will start running faster.